Okay, name the ray. First of all, if I'm looking at these answers, two of them jump out at me as impossible to work because this says line, arrow on both sides. This says segment, arrow on neither side. Okay? The only ones that say ray are the ones that have an arrow pointing to the right and then no arrow on the left-hand side, so that's A or D. Now, what's the end point? Well, the end point on this is A. It doesn't have an arrow. It doesn't continue through A. So the side of the arrow up here, that, or the side of the little uh, symbol that doesn't have the arrow on that side, has to have the side of the ray that doesn't continue through it. And it doesn't continue through A, so we need it to be here, where A is on the side where it doesn't continue and doesn't have an arrow. Yeah. Um, and that's basically it. You're always going to point the arrow to the right, and you're always going to name the endpoint in the first of the two letter positions. So the answer is D. Okay. Um, for number 10, what is the name of a ray opposite of BD? Well, opposite of BD means if you start at B and you go through D, let me put a point here at B and then go this way through D, okay? Then the opposite ray will start at the same endpoint right here and go in the opposite direction like that. So what do we call that? Well, it's a ray that starts at B and goes through A, and that is answer C. Okay, now, number 11, what are the segments in the figure? We've got segment this, we've got segment this, and then we've got segment this, the whole thing. So what do we call them? Let's find one that's got all of those answers. A to B or B to A, that's in pink. It's right there. That's good. Okay. We've got the one in dark blue, B to C. That's this, this, and this. And then we've got the long one in green, A to C, A to C, A to C. Okay. A to B and B to A are the same segments for answer B. For answer A, C, CA, and AC, they're the same segment, right? They're just naming them twice. The one that's got all three segments named is answer C.